guys, so now I will show you how to put this magnetic eyelashes. I think this is much better than using the eyelashes. This I need to put glue on it. This one is you don't need to. I will show you now, guys. So this is the left and right. This is the magnet. The magnet is here. This is the magnet, and then this is the clip. Okay, so first is I will put this on my left, I mean my right. So I need to take this off. See, it's so hard. And then this is the clip. So oops, see, this is magnet too. I mean the clip have magnet. So take off this one and put it right here. I'm so sorry. Yeah, make sure that the eyelashes is just be like that, up and okay guys, so let's start. Actually it's not the eyelashes with full here. This I will just put it right here. Okay, so and then clip. And then just ignore my pimples, guys. Just focus on my eyelashes. So this is my first, oh my god, see, next my left here. So I will show you how I put this without the clip on. Okay, and then okay, so I think it's easier not to use the clip. For me, it's look natural. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait you guys try magnetic if you never use it. Please don't forget for a thumbs up and subscribe and click the notification bell if you like my channel. That's it. Thank you for watching.